Good morning, dear subscribers. This is Subaru Sambar 1990 model. Very nice truck, and Brent already bought it. It's arrived 4 days ago, already sold. And so we did change the oil yesterday. I was showing him how to do all that. We checked the brakes. We made a video, but I don't know if I can put it together. I'm not that smart yet on YouTube. So the filter, if you want to change oil on the Sambar, it's on the passenger side. It's right here. And the oil plug, it's right there, 17 millimeter socket. And to do the brakes, a little tricky on Sambar, so you have to take this cutter pin off, then unscrew that bolt, and it's a little ring here. It's like whatever V-shaped ring going inside. So sometimes, like in our case, it won't come out, the drum, so we sprayed it with the brake cleaner, and then just slightly tap with the hammer that way around, and the slowly ring will loosen up and it will come off. So it's not that hard. Also, release your parking brake, because it will hold the drum. And other than that, it's very nice truck. Almost brand new spare here. We checked the front brakes, they're all good. Everything good on this truck. So that girl, no, this is a boy. We call mini cab is a girls, Sambar is a boy. So this boy is sold, and he is gonna just keep it here, keep working on it, and add some stuff like cup holders. The mini trucks, yeah, the problem, nothing to like put coffee or your drinks. So we always, next time when Brent will figure out how he's gonna do all the cup holders. I mean, it's got some cup holders, the little one, I use it, but we need something in the front. So when he will fix it, I'll make video, that way you guys, mini truck lovers, will know how to do it. And also, what else on this truck? Oh, we still gotta check transmission fluids, all that stuff. And Sambar is very interesting. I'm gonna show you, if I'll find the keys, where is the engine located and how get access to the engine. So it's on the back. Let's lift this up. So here's a little key. You gotta push it to open. Yep. And here we go. Here's the engine. Here's a dipstick. All the spark plugs. Subaru Sambar had 4 cylinders compared to other mini trucks. They got only 3 cylinders. It's same 660cc, but I guess it's make a different 4 cylinders. Here's we got alternator, and we've got starter right there, all the ignition stuff here. It's even got that rear what do you call it? Let me turn it on. If you put it in the rear gear, it's gonna start making funny noises. Beep, 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 beep. Here, I will wake you up, guys. Annoying noise. Yeah. So Brent is excited. I'm happy for him too. And then we're gonna work next week, and we're gonna okay. We're gonna clean the engine compartment. You just take 4 bolts, and you got access from the top here. It's dirty, never been cleaned probably. So here's your alternator, your filter. We open the filter. It's very clean. All you do, pop these two things, boom, right open. So in general, this truck is just in great shape. I cannot believe they're like, most of them 25, 35 years old, and they just in great shape. Yeah. Okay, that's going to be a short video. And then yesterday we made a video with Brand, and I'm going to try add it. If not, I'll just post it like it is, because battery passed away on my phone. And oh, here's my shelter. My neighbors was asking if they can hide during the hurricane, so I built them little shelter. Here's my neighbor Bruce, nice couple. They give me that couch. I put some chairs here. Here's the Bible, some candles, matches, some whatever first aid kit. Oh, if anybody needs boots, brand new. They've been sitting here forever. I never wear them. Brand new. Call me. I'll just give it away. And that's all the stuff. The kids from Crossville give it to me when I went to the truck drivers convoy, or whatever, people's convoy in 2022. And all the truck drivers signed it. And that's me right here. Russian American hillbilly. Ha ha ha! Right there. Okay. I'll probably make another video when we will do all the oils on the transmission, the transfer case, or whatever, everything. We will check the oils and maybe replace that, and I'll make a video how to do that. That's a mini cab that little girl sold. She's going to nice couple, young couple. I think, I'm not sure, 25 or 26, maybe even younger. They bought it. It's going to Cookville. So I got the temporary tags. And now this is a dump truck. I need to detail it. That's a nice truck, very solid, unbelievable. And but it's two-wheel drives. They sent it here accidentally. It's supposed to go to my brother to Seattle, but man, that's a nice truck. Let me start it. Okay, let's see. Here, call Sam. Starts right up. Oh, here's a little thing some of Japanese cars have. And here's a dump button, and this is heavy duty dump. Boom. A very nice truck. Dump. A little rusty, but it's not like rust. None of this rust went through. It's all good. Yeah, this is heavy duty stuff. But it's two-wheel drive, so if anybody interested in dump truck, and I don't remember how many miles or anything here. Let's see how we do it. Turn it on. The lights. Right there, it's got 36,000 kilometers. So it's probably approximately 20 something thousand miles, maybe 22, something like that. And then, oh, I might have it in the key. Yep, it's 1993 Daihatsu Hijet dump truck, the S82P, 22,500 miles. I'll clean it. It's a very, very good truck, but downside is only two-wheel drive. So give me a call if you're interested. And I think that's it. I'll show you guys a little. This is upstairs. I got another garage. We're probably gonna make eventually like a store here for parts and stuff, which probably gonna be next year. Here's another one. Just arrived. This one I made already video. Man, I love it. It just runs like crazy. I drive it every day. It's my daily truck now. This dump truck probably gonna be sold today. The gentleman Steve, a local guy, buying it for farm. He got 60 acres. Whew, a lot of acres. Here's my truck. Used to be. I don't want to drive it anymore since I got mini boggers. So I'm gonna sell this, and if anybody interested, it's a 1999. Not sure how many miles. I think around 60,000. It's great. It's limited. I got everything. Airbags. Got 4 different levels. You can lift it up, bring it down. Got steps coming out. So everything here. Bunch of moon sunroofs. Here's a Toyota Estima. That's probably like for big family or for male people, mail delivering. And Hijet, Jumbo Yumbo, on the Acti, another Hijet, and my big truck, but I'm not gonna sell it. I probably will eventually move it to the garage. I'm gonna keep it. I love this truck. Everything brand new. Engine inside, it's all wood. I put insulation everywhere. The walls and the sleeper made of cider. And yeah, come on in. I got a few more trucks, but they are not here. I'm hiding them. I'm hiding them. Here's the bathroom. Here's me. Me, ay. And then here's the office. Here's Vicky's bear. She thinks I installed cameras there and I'm spying all the time. Here's the rules. Sandra gave that to me. Read these rules. Simple rules, but they work. Only thing, it's gotta be prayers here first and then the rest of the stuff. And that's another office room. That's it. What time is in Japan? 10 p.m. Okay, we need to call Japan, get more mini trucks. Have a blessed day. I'll talk to you guys later.